Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for all the young animal lovers out there: the Rainbocorns Puppycorn Rescue. Let me tell you, folks, this isn't just your average plush toy. It's the best Puppycorn Rescue available, and here's why. First off, let's talk about the sheer excitement this toy brings. With over 12 surprises packed into one adorable package, your little one will be on the edge of their seat from the moment they start unboxing. From the peel and reveal heart that helps diagnose your puppycorn's ailment to the Dr. Puppycorns who are experts in rainbocorn health. Every element of this set is designed to spark joy and imagination. And let's not forget about the accessories. Band-aid stickers, health reports, X-rays. Your child will feel like a real veterinarian as they tend to their precious puppycorn patient. But it's not just about the surprises, folks. This plush toy is incredibly soft and cuddly, perfect for endless snuggles and companionship. Just take a look at the smiles on these kids' faces. That's the magic of Rainbocorns Puppycorn Rescue. It brings joy, imagination, and endless fun to children everywhere. So, if you're looking for the ultimate gift for the little animal lover in your life, look no further than Rainbocorns Puppycorn Rescue. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and remember, stay curious.